In this video, I will be disassembling this 2014 Porsche Panamera LED headlight. Here is the part number on the light. I will begin by removing the remainder of the lens. I've disconnected the lens from the light. There is a wire harness connector connecting the main light to the lens. There are 4 LED drive units held to the lens using T10 torque screws. In order to remove this inner LED unit, I need to remove the bracket for the adjuster cable that is held in place in the back. It is held in place by 3 T15 torque screws. With the 3 T15 torque screws removed, I can now grab a hold of this adjuster and pull it forward. The inner LED unit is now held in place by 1 top mounting bracket. I'm going to try to just pop it off and pull the whole unit forward. In order to release the last wire clip, you need to slide this whole bracket forward and then push the release tab and disconnect it from the main wire harness. I'm going to remove this black bezel from this lower projector. I'm going to be using a hook tool to reach underneath to release the clip on either side and pull it forward. With the clips removed, you can pull this bezel forward. And now we have access to the 3 mounts holding the lower projector in place. I'm going to start with this upper outside projector mount. I'm going to squeeze the tab on either side and pull the unit forward. I'm now going to do that for the other 2 mounts. With the 3 mounts released, I can pull the projector forward. In order to release the wire harness connector for the lower projector, I need to loosen this clip and push the connector off of the bracket. At this time, we can remove the lower projector. Like the lower projector, the upper projector is held in place by 3 of the same mounts. I'm going to go ahead and release all 3 of those mounts now. With the 3 mounts removed, I can pull the projector forward. I'm going to release this wire harness. The upper projector is now free from the light. Next, I'm going to remove the T20 screws holding on the wire harness. Next, I will pop out the wire harness retainers. Next, I'm going to go to the outside of the light and push the wire harness connectors through. Starting with the big one on the bottom, there are a couple of clips that we need to depress and slide the connector forward. In order to release the main rear connector, there is a tab on either side. Simply depress each one and push the connector into the light. At this point, the wire harness is free from the light and the main housing is empty. Next, I will remove the LED drive unit from the lower projector by removing 4 T15 Torx screws holding it in place. With the 4 T15 Torx screws removed, simply grab hold of the heatsink and give the unit a tug. The LED drive unit on the upper projector is also held in place by 4 T15 Torx screws. With the 4 screws removed, we can simply grab hold of the heatsink and pull the unit out. Here are the components from the light. This is the drive unit from the lower LED projector. This is the drive unit from the upper LED projector. Here's the upper LED projector. Here is the lower projector lens. Here is the upper projector lens. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.